Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into the world of portable laundry solutions. Today, we're pitting the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer against the SRVVTO Portable Washing Machine. Both products are designed for those living in small spaces like apartments, dorms, or RVs. We'll explore their features, specifications, and help you determine which one is the best for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The Aptovpvp Portable Dryer specializes in drying clothes quickly and efficiently, featuring 2 drying modes and a built-in blue light for sanitization. On the other hand, the SRVVTO Portable Washing Machine is designed for washing small loads, making it ideal for items like baby clothes and underwear. While the dryer focuses on drying, the washing machine includes a spin basket to reduce drying time, showcasing their distinct functionalities. When it comes to capacity, the SRVVTO Portable Washing Machine offers a 13L capacity, allowing for a decent load of laundry. In contrast, the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer is designed for smaller loads, making it more suitable for quick drying tasks. This difference in capacity highlights the specific needs each product addresses in small living environments. The Aptovpvp Portable Dryer comes equipped with multiple drying modes and a timer function, enhancing its usability for different fabric types. Meanwhile, the SRVVTO Portable Washing Machine features a spin basket that helps to reduce drying time, making it a practical choice for those who need efficiency. Each product offers unique features that cater to specific laundry needs. In conclusion, both the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer and the SRVVTO Portable Washing Machine provide excellent solutions for small spaces. Your choice will depend on whether you prioritize drying or washing capabilities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.